Hello, it's Tim. I'm going to shoot a video of my Hellcat Redeye. I did a couple upgrades last couple of days. To start with, I had I already had the mid muffler deletes. The car's got 180 miles, 189 miles on it, I think, something like that, under 200. And then I put the MF ones on there. Those plates that keep the exhaust open to where it sounds like it's a cold start all the time, where it won't throw a code. I got those on there. Those are pretty cool. I didn't do a video about installing because there's already 2 or 3 out there about it. But anyway, they're on there. Did have to take the back wheel off to get access, raise the back end up. And then I put these splash guards on here. If you see right down there, which keep the rock chips off, so those are pretty cool. I did have to take the wheels off to put those on, and you do have to do some drilling, but they fit good, they look good. They're Chrysler OEM, they're made for the Challenger. So I did have to do a little bit of work to get those on. Like I said, you pull the wheels off, you have to drill holes. The front one, you don't have to actually pull the wheel off. You can turn the wheel and get to it. So those things are pretty nice to help with the paint chips anyway. So another thing I did was I put these Scuff Guards here on the door jambs here, not the jambs, but and these were a little bit of I read directions, and these are a little bit of a challenge, but I got them on there. They give you one extra in the set in case you mess up. But I got lucky and I didn't mess up, so I thought it looked pretty good, and it helps out with scuffing getting in and out because I'm 6'4" and weigh about 230, and I got size 15 feet, so I have to get in I had a hell of a time driving most of my Corvettes. But this car right here has got more room, but I still have to get in and out a certain way, or I'll just scuff everything up with my feet and everything. So another cool thing I did was I put this phone holder in here by Pro Clips. It's a little pricey. It's about $75 or something, but it's super solid. So I got my Android in there. I'm shooting a video with my Apple. But this thing is made for the Challenger, custom made. It's solid as hell. There's no drilling. It doesn't mess anything up. You can see how it goes in there. It snaps in behind these plates right here, this trim, and really super nice. And it's super tight. The phone's not going anywhere, so that's nice to have, because these cup holders right here, the Apple barely fits in there. The Android certainly won't fit in there. And then another thing I did is I put these red knobs on here, which I thought were pretty cool. And something I was noticing today that I hadn't noticed before, but up here on the dash, the SRT with the Hellcat on it, it's got the red eye in it. Up here, I didn't realize that before. I just now noticed that. And then of course, when you start it, this is a cold start, more or less, but it stays like that because of those MF ones I put on there. So there's your red eye. supercharger. I knew there was a SRT and a Hellcat badge, but I didn't really realize it had the red eye in it, so that's pretty cool, like that. So anyway, those are a couple of the mods I just did. Need to clean out under this hood a little bit. So far I'm happy with those. It's pretty loud, so it just sounds like it's a cold start all the time. Yeah, you're supposed to have that music on. Get one of those things from YouTube about music rights or whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna put about 1,500 miles on this car before I ever use line lock or launch control. I'll probably take it to the track too, but it'll be next year because I won't be able to get that many miles between now and the end of the year. I work a lot, so. But I'm gonna be ready to try to use that line lock and that. And there's the chiller, shift light, race cool down. I still don't even know all the stuff that's on here sometimes. Yeah, I got 194 miles on here so far. Anyway, this car, I ordered this car. I got the sunroof in it. There you go, sunroof. He's got a lot of gauges on it, timers. You got a bunch of timers for the track. You can record, which is pretty cool. So anyway, my rim knobs there. Anyways, that's my video today. Got a few of my upgrades done, the exhaust system, so we're happy with that. So I plan on doing some more. I'm going to do the hood. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the hood pins, and I'm going to do the splitter. I'm going to do the splitter down here with the anodized supports that go on there. I haven't decided if I want to do black or red. Since the car's red, offset a little bit. I was thinking about putting red anodized on there for the supports. So I'm putting that on there. Then I'm going to do a couple other things. Those are the next two things I'm going to do, the hood pins and the splitter. So anyway, that's a little review of my couple upgrades I did on my Challenger 2020 Challenger Redeye. So anyways, we'll see you guys next time.